Oh, my turn.
Of course.
Okay.
Take off the mask.
Take off the mask. This is what it sounds like with me. Oh. Yeah. I mean, I'm like used to this so good. Oh, look.
Yeah, I love it. I love it.
Nice.
Good. Thank
Where are you from?
I'm from here.
Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Thanks for watching. So today we're going to be using the Canon M50 Mark II and we're going to be using it with the 15 to 45mm zoom lens. Let's go and find some strangers. And I really like your look.
My look.
Yeah, it's popping like the
I'm a crazy
colors.
cat lady, you know
and
that?
The cats. That's so cool. So if you want a portrait, and I can send it to you as well if you want.
Okay.
Cool. The first one of the day.
First one.
How do you...
Guys, look at this. There's a cat in here. And the cat is the same color.
Yeah, of course, of course.
Of course.
Very cliche, right?
Uh-huh. Look at this. Let's try over here on this this piece of wood. Sylvia?
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Germany.
Germany, cool.
I don't know what to do, just tell me what to do.
Yeah, cool. I'm trying to get used to this. Okay, no, just sound like that. Perfect. Smile. Can we take the cat?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm sorry,
Yeah.
baby. I'm sorry, baby.
She's like, get box.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. So if you want, I'll send these to as well, yeah?
How? I don't have Instagram or something. I'm old school.
Okay, no problem. Let me try. Let me just get one more as well. We'll do like this. Okay, yeah. I like that one. You have a phone?
I do have a
Okay.
phone.
I'm
Indeed.
like, all we going like.
I'm that modern.
Hola.
Hola.
Estamos grabando un video, sacando fotos aquí. Me gustaría una foto, ya súper chulo con la luz. Y luego te las puedo mandar también.
Sí, eso está mejor. Si las mandas, sí, si no, no.
Vale, entonces adiós. No, sí. So, sí.
Sí, obvio, claro.
Ok, vale. Entonces, bueno, la primera. Sí.
Ah, ¿yo?
Sí. Y después tú. Retrato. Sí. Okay, yes. Can you do that again with the hand?
Yeah, of course.
And that looks super nice with the sun. We have like a tribe behind us. Okay, yes. Okay, yes, like that. Oh, I love that smile.
It's so close.
But you look really good, look.
I'm not sure.
And with the sun coming in, it looks super
Oh,
cool.
I love it.
Like, look at the sun coming in.
Yeah, I love it.
This is dope as well. That look.
Yeah, I
That one
love it.
too.
I love it.
Nice.
Good. Thank
Where are you from?
I'm from here.
Oh, cool.
Yes.
From Barcelona.
Yeah.
Quiet. Okay, your turn. Oh, thanks. La luz es súper chulo.
No, de verdad. Yo también me da vergüenza, pero escucha, mira las fotos.
Y después de editar sería súper guay.
Vale, que me da vergüenza.
Yeah. Sorry, Mom.
Vale.
Okay. Yes. Can you do that again? Hold this one up. Stay like that. Damn, you're like a model. Stay like that. Okay, yes, maybe. one more. Let's go a little bit this way. Yeah, stay like that. Oh, perfect, perfect, stay like that. Damn, nice. Yes, I love this one. Stay just like that. Okay, looking at me. Okay, these are nice. Can you come in? Look at these. ¿Te gusta, no? Son súper chulos.
Amor, eres tan guapa, me muero.
También, ¿no?
Sí, no, heavy.
Entonces nos vemos en línea.
Seguro.
Thanks so much. It was great to meet you.
Have a good day.
Bye.
Ciao.
Bye.
Okay, cool. If you guys want to try over here near the bicycle station, there's like really cool light here. If you want to come and do some pictures.
And it's pictures or video?
Just, yeah.
Alright, why not?
I'll keep your stuff.
Yeah.
Just follow
No,
us
you
all
were
the
okay.
way down
Nothing.
here. And
And we're gonna get
it's gonna be great. It's gonna be great.
Yeah, there's just like
Just walk into that
a
big
van
white
with no
light.
windows.
Troy. Oh, looking at me now. Okay, awesome. Nice, and let's try one here in the middle. Yeah. Okay, cool. And yeah, can you put them on? So here, both back like this. Actually, yeah. Stay like that. Can you hold maybe put them back? Yes, perfect. Stay like that. Okay, awesome. Nice looking at me. Dad, smile. Okay, let's try. Yes, stay like that. Stay like that. Perfect. And one more. Yes, awesome. And let's try one more. Hey.
Hey.
And let's try one more as well. Can you try one, like single hand like this? One hand and then one hand. Yes, perfecto, perfecto. Boom, I love it. Look.
That's nice. I really like this.
This one?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, cool. And are you the photographer?
Yeah, it takes portraits.
Cool.
Let's go, baby.
I don't know how to do, so
W
you have to tell me what to do.
H O S.
I'll be awkward.
No, you're good. And your eyes open, stay like that.
Your
Okay, awesome.
Brad. B-R-A-D. Let's try it. Can you get one over here, lady? Yeah. Maybe you can do as well, like here, one hand up. And, yes. Yes, perfect. Yes, nice. Stay there. Boom. Nos esperamos un momentito. 1, 2, 3. Just for una más. Perdón.
There's like another cool place over here too. Want to go again? Lean against the wall, and we can try this time as well. We can get like one leg up too. We can try a few different. Looking grungy, but I like the contrast.
That's cool with the grass as well.
Yeah, actually I like that. Okay, awesome. Okay, nice. And can we... Okay, looking at me. Damn, that's cool, look. We have the grass in there.
Ah, that's really nice. Yeah, I really like.
I like this one too. Cool, do you want to try one here as well?
Okay.
We have some grass in there, so. Little Christmas tree.
I was like, oh, that's cool.
Man, you can get one as well. I can take a shot of you like taking a shot.
Yeah, why
It's gonna
not?
look good on your profile, yeah. Okay, so you as well, yeah. If you wanna, let's get some tree action in there. Qué bonito. It's like a little. Okay. Good.
It's really Christmas.
Christmas
Christmas
vibes, eh?
vibes.
Christmas
Yeah.
vibes.
Christmas in May.
Yeah, and do you want to get one as well? You can like get one,
you
taking
should
a
do
picture. I'll like
pictures of
take
each
one of
other.
it. You can do what you want. Let's get you there too. Yeah.
This is what I think. Oh, this
Yeah,
is not mine.
Okay, and can we try it more so I can see your... Just hold, yeah, actually hold it up as well so I can still see your face. Yeah. Bird. Oh, that's your next pose? Hit me with your best shot. Okay, like. Nice.
Yeah.
Feeling good?
So your turn.
Oh, my turn first. Okay.
Tables have turned.
Just take here.
Uh-huh. Take off the mask.
Mask.
This is what it sounds like with me.
No, more closing.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Yeah. So put your camera up.
Up for?
Yeah,
Oh,
up.
shooting.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm like useless to do. It's your first time here?
Yeah.
Damn, first time.
Yeah. It's so different of Belgium.
How does it feel to be in
do-
Barcelona?
Wow,
like,
first
doing
time.
things? Yeah, I'm trying to like remember my first time.
I remember my
Like,
first time
yeah.
in Barcelona.
But this was so different from Belgium, you know.
Yes. Oh, you know what? Creo que, bueno, en esto, y creo que oh, sí, una pierna. Encima. Tú aquí. Sí, and just hold one. Sí. And can you do like a ponte serio? Sí.
Seria.
Sí. Perfect. Okay, bring your head down just a little. See, I see. Stay like that?
See?
Yeah, see, perfect. Yes, I love that. Stay like that. Nice. Okay, yes, one more. I see it. Yes, stay like that. Oh, let's get the W in there. Burn. Damn! Shit like that, that's a... Okay, Provence. Ahí, abajo. We're interrupting picnics, you guys. Okay, can you look? So you're looking at her, and then can you, like the look that you did before, like kind of looking down, smiling? Looks really cool.
¿Y cómo?
Sonriendo para abajo, así.
Ah, vale.
Nice. Okay, cool. Then looking this way. Okay, now me. One more. Okay, cool. ¿En serio que no quieres jugar? I creo que sí. Porque
Pues
la
mira
luz,
bien,
aquí,
¿eh?
la luz aquí es súper chulo. Okay. Nice, these are really cool, guys. Mira.
Sí, sí.
But guys, ¿quieres probar también? Oh wait, still like that, still like that. Just do this like natural, yeah. You go down there how you were before? See, juntos? Yes, yes. All the way down? Yeah. Perfect. Yeah. Oh guys, can you get closer to get how you were before? Yeah. Okay, awesome.
Thank you so much.
Y creo que mañana subo el video.
Perfecto.
Entonces.
Vale, lo veremos.
Vale, perfecto, guys.
Muchas gracias,
Adiós.
Vaya bien.
Chao.
Gracias.